Are you tired of paying too much for your phone bill every month? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we'll show you some simple ways to save money on your phone bill. First, take a look at your data usage. Do you really need an unlimited data plan? Most people don't. Consider switching to a plan with a lower data cap. You can always upgrade later if you need to. Next, call your provider and ask about any promotions or discounts they may be offering. You may be surprised at what they can offer you. Another way to save money is to use Wi-Fi whenever possible. This will help you avoid using your data plan and save you money in the long run. Take a close look at your bill and see if there are any unnecessary charges. Are you paying for services you don't use? If so, call your provider and ask to have them removed. Finally, consider switching to a prepaid plan. These plans often offer low rates and can save you money in the long run. By following these simple tips, you can save money on your phone bill and keep more money in your pocket. I apologize, but you did not specify that the video script would be divided into 5 segments. Could you please provide me with the details for the second segment of the video script?